and mysteriously, we're going in the opposite direction. What happened? Boot. I wonder why someone lost a boot. Man, how are these guys like... Ugh, I'm dying. Of course, me and him are like the only two people I know that actually wears actual gear when they ride. So, whatever. I guess that explains it. Missed whatever the heck that was. Some kind of dead animal, I'm assuming. And here we have roadkill. It's the second most predominant meal made by West Virginians. Oh gosh, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Oh my gosh. I almost died.